If you're looking for the low rolling resistance tires, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. If you want to get a good quality low rolling resistance tires according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide to buy. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Goodyear Assurance Fuel Max. Goodyear's Assurance lineup of tires has always been one of our favorites. The Fuel Max is the product with the best fuel efficiency, thanks to the low rolling resistance all-season compound. With a set of these tires, you should see a 1-2 gain. The Fuel Max has other features that are very welcome, thanks to the inboard and outboard dry tread zones. The tire handles surprisingly well, even at higher speeds. The wet tread zone, on the other hand, improves wet traction, handling, and braking. The Assurance Fuel Max is very good for comfort. The ride quality is second to none, especially when driving over uneven roads. Nonetheless, we would have liked slightly less noise on the highway. The Fuel Max isn't particularly quiet. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Michelin Energy Saver Slash. The Energy Saver Slash S is one of the best fuel-efficient tires on the market. Thanks to Michelin's proprietary Green X technology, with a set of these tires, you can expect a 2-3 mpg gain, which is better than most of the competitors. This makes the Michelin Energy Saver Slash S an excellent choice for drivers of hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and electric vehicles longer range. When it comes to performance, the Energy Saver Slash S does have slightly lower grip levels than comparable tires that don't have low rolling resistance. However, the tire handles everyday tasks with aplomb. Traction, taking are excellent. On top of that, the tire can be used in light snow, unlike some rivals. Moreover, thanks to the comfort control technology, the Energy Saver is supremely quiet on the highway and very comfortable over bumps. Finally, the 65,000-mile treadwear warranty is also very good for the category. The number 3 position is held by Continental TrueContact Tour. The newest addition in Continental's touring lineup is immediately one of our favorites. Apart from the average snow traction, we were impressed by the TrueContact Tour in every category that we tested. On the road, this tire performs as good as it gets from a touring tire. Responsiveness is among the best in the category, which improves the driving experience. Moreover, the levels of grip and traction are very good. The TrueContact Tour is probably the best touring tire for wet conditions now as well. We are also big fans of the comfort this tire provides. Thanks to Comfort Ride technology, not many vibrations are transferred to the cabin. The ride quality is smooth over larger bumps as well, and noise is well suppressed on the highway. Next at number 4 we have Firestone Champion Fuel Fighter. If the premium tires on this list are out of your reach, then the Firestone Champion Fuel Fighter might be an excellent choice. Using mostly Bridgestone's technology, this tire impresses in almost every category, especially when you take the price into consideration. The silica-enhanced long-length carbon tread compound in this tire improves fuel efficiency by 1-2 mpg, but it also reduces wear and improves performance. In our testing, we found that the Champion Fuel Fighter is very responsive and grippy on dry pavement. In wet conditions, the tire has very high levels of grip and traction, and it resists hydroplaning very well. On top of that, the Firestone's touring tire exhibits very little noise on the highway, and it rides well over bumps. Snow traction is also good, but not exceptional. The Firestone Champion Fuel Fighter also comes with an excellent 70,000-mile treadwear warranty. The number 5 position is held by Bridgestone Ecopia F422 Plus. Overall, the Ecopia F422 Plus is one of the best fuel-efficient tires on the market. Not only it offers superior low rolling resistance technology to its rivals, but it also handles everyday tasks with aplomb. Thanks to the Nano Pro Tech compound, the Ecopia F422 Plus offers very high levels of grip and traction, regardless of the temperature. With a set of these tires, your vehicle will feel very responsive and safe. You will simply feel like you're in control. Moreover, the Ecopia F422 works tremendously well on wet surfaces. Traction is excellent. Braking is among the best in the category, while hydroplaning resistance is outstanding. The tire also works in light snow, but in this category, it trails behind the best. The number 6 position is dominated by Michelin Premier A. The Premier S is one of the best low rolling resistance tires for drivers that want a comfortable, yet supremely responsive driving experience. Right now, the Premier S is the best grand touring tire for handling and braking. With a set of these tires, your car will feel sportier in the corners. More importantly, It will grip the road better, which means that you can enter corners more vigorously. Traction is also outstanding, as is braking. Furthermore, the Premier S is perhaps the best Grand Touring tire for wet conditions in its class. It handles outstandingly well on damp and wet surfaces, and it resists hydroplaning like a real champ. Oh, and thanks to the expanding rain grooves, the tire keeps the outstanding wet handling for longer. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Pirelli Scorpion Verde All Season Plus. Pirelli's touring offering for drivers of crossovers, SUVs, and trucks impresses in many categories. The only gripe we have is the slightly lower 65,000-mile treadwear warranty. Other than that, we only have superlatives to share. Like most Pirelli tires, there is a big accent here on drivability. On the road, this is one of the most responsive touring crossover tires, giving the driver an engaging driving experience. Grip and traction are also outstanding, both over dry and wet pavement. Despite the outstanding handling performances, the Scorpion Verde All Season Plus is equipped with low rolling resistance technology, which lowers fuel consumption by 1-2 mpg. Finally, the number 8 position is dominated by Michelin X-Ice Xi3. Overall, the Michelin X-Ice Xi3 is the best winter tire on the market right now, when compared to its greatest rival, the Bridgestone Blizzak W90. It trails in snow and ice braking, but the results are very close. You will probably never find the difference, even if you drive both tires side by side. More importantly, Michelin's winter tire is equipped with the Green X standard, which lowers the fuel consumption of your car. On top of that, the Michelin X-Ice Xi3 is the only winter tire that comes with a 40,000-mile treadwear warranty. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.